to my video, and today I will show you how to make an outro. So you go download PixArt. It's loading, so I put it load. Okay, so you click the little plus sign at the bottom of the screen, and you either go through your photos or you can go through templates, which I don't use templates. So you scroll all the way down and you go to backgrounds. There are free backgrounds and such things in that nature, so I'm just going to choose a random one. And then I want you to click next on the upper right corner. Then save it. Then download an app called VLLO. It used to be called Vimo. Then you hit motion photo. Then you click on the picture that you saved. Then click on the second 16:9 ratio. Then go to the arrow up top. And then wait for it to load. Then you click on SNS in the topic section. It's the fourth box down. And then you scroll down. And I use a little Instagram thingy. Put it all the way down at the bottom like that. Click done. Then in order to put your thing, then you put, choose a, I'm going to choose this one. So then you click on text. And then you text in the white box. Do not text in the actual box up there. So that's how you do it. Then you're gonna make it small, like that. Then put it down below. Then click done again. Then you go back to the motion stickers. And then if you have Snapchat, I know it, you can tell it's a little bit crooked down there. I'll fix it. There you go. Then you go to Snapchat. And then you do the same thing. I can never make these things, there you go. That's about the best I'm gonna get it at. And then you do your text, do the same thing, then text again, and then your name. Then done again, and then go back to motion sticker, and then you can put this right here. Done. Then let's see, what do I want you to do? I'm gonna do this right here. Done. And then I'm gonna put, hold on y'all. Oh no, I don't want that one. Let's go back. Let's do this right here. And then done. And then, I don't know. Ooh, no, that's not what I want. Just have this up here. And then, there you go. Now, if you want to add music, this is what I think you should do. You should go on iMovie and just put a music on it. Or you can save it. I'm just going to export it. But I'm going to make it long so I can add a song to it. So, export it. And then there'll be like a little ad. And then it'll be saved. So then, I'll do this. Go to Great Video. Go on that. Next. Then go to, you can go to BGM, which is music, or, no, I think I can click that. Yeah. So then they'll have a template of music for you. So that's for music. That's Christmas music. I like this one, so I'll do that one. And there you go. There's the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.